This is going to blow your mind. Kangaroos are like the gymnasts of the animal kingdom. Kangaroos are the world's largest hopping mammals, using their super powerful hind legs to bounce around at impressive speeds. These iconic Australian marsupials are not just any regular joeys. They're born tiny and underdeveloped, only to continue growing in their mum's cozy pouch. What's on the menu for a kangaroo? Mostly grasses and leaves. Yep, they're herbivores with a serious love for salad. And they're pretty social too, hanging out in groups called mobs. Think kangaroos are a one-size-fits-all deal? Think again. There are several species, from the towering red kangaroo to the chill eastern grey, the western grey and the antilopine kangaroo. Want to learn more about their habitats, how they raise their joeys or their conservation status? Stay tuned and hop along with us in the next video. If your pet ideas look like kangaroos, you're a wild dreamer, but let's make sure you're ready for this. Kangaroos are super cool, but caring for one is no walk in the park. First off, you'll need permits. These hoppers are often protected species, so legalities matter. Space is a big deal. They need lots of room to bounce around, and don't skimp on the shelter or fun stuff like climbing structures. Diet, think grazers, grass, herbs, and sometimes special kangaroo pellets are on the menu. Oh, and fresh water 24/7. Health checkups are a must. Plus, keep an eye out for parasites. Stress? These guys need a chill environment. Companionship varies. Some kangaroos like a buddy, others don't. Handle them gently to earn their trust. Before you leap into kangaroo care, think about the commitment. Consult a wildlife expert. And for the fun part, did you know kangaroos box like tiny furry fighters? Or that they've been known to steal picnic snacks? Hopping heroes with antics galore. Got a favorite kangaroo fact? Share it below. Why do kangaroos hop while zebras dash? Let's unravel this tale of two continents and their fabulous fauna. First up, kangaroos. These Aussie superstars are famous for their powerful hind legs, allowing them to zoom across the outback like nature's pogo sticks. And let's not forget their adorable pouches, perfect for carrying their mini-me joeys. Now let's hop over to Africa and meet the zebras. These striped speedsters are master escape artists, with their black and white stripes confusing predators. Plus, they can run at speeds up to 65 kilometers per hour. Talk about a fast getaway. Despite their differences, both kangaroos and zebras thrive in their unique habitats thanks to their incredible adaptations. So who's your favorite? The hopping kangaroo or the dashing zebra? Drop your pick in the comments below. Stay tuned for more wild comparisons. And don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily dose of animal awesomeness.